Good day everyone, I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install an air vent in your drywall. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, a level, a razor blade, and pencil. You'll also need your air vent and a piece of cardboard. The first thing we want to do is get the right size of hole to cut out. So we'll take our piece of cardboard, put it over our vent. You don't want to cut the exact size of the vent because this is actually supposed to sit on the drywall. So we'll come right here and we just want to get it big enough to cover those vents right there. So we'll put a mark there. Come down here and do the same thing. Then we'll get the length of it. After that, we'll go ahead and cut this out. Now that we have the proper size for our vent, we're going to take our level and go right in between the two studs, so that way we can actually attach our vent to the studs. We'll hold our piece of cardboard up where we want it to go, put our level on there, make sure it's nice and level. Then grab our pencil and mark it out. Now that we have the mark on there, we're going to go ahead and cut out that piece of drywall. Now that we have our hole cut out, we're going to take our vent. Make sure that as you look down at it, you can't see into the vent. You want these slots pointing upward. We'll take it, put it where we want to go, grab our level, throw it on there, make sure it's nice and level. Then I'm just going to take my screw, poke it into the drywall, and drill it into place. Now we're going to take the level again, put it right on top, and do the same thing on this side. And there you have it. I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.